Hi, I'm Christina with Nationwide Medical, and today we're going to change the filter on the DreamStation 2. To access the filter, you're going to remove your humidifier, and the filter is located here. Going to pull this tab to remove it. There is a disposable filter here that gets removed and thrown out every 2 weeks. This is the non-disposable filter. This is going to be rinsed with warm tap water and air dried every 2 weeks. This filter will last you for 6 months, then we will send a fresh one. The non-disposable gets changed every 2 weeks. There is a little set of arrows that you're going to line up with a little set of arrows on this filter to make sure it's going the right direction. Then you flip it over and it slides back in like this. And that is how you change the filter every 2 weeks.